Told me you needed some time to yourself. I want you to have that for your mental health. I know that you got your own life that you live, your questions to answer, your whys and what ifs. So wander and wonder and go dig and go delve. I know it's important, I've been there myself. Go fight your demons, make your garden grow. But before you head out, I just want you to know that my love for you comes as natural as breathing. Watching you go, my chest won't stop heaving, so I'll hold my breath till I'm blue, and I'll learn to breathe without you. Know that you've gotta go, and I know I'll miss you, but I've got my pride in this box of tissues. I bite my tongue just so hard that it stings. I try not to jump when that telephone rings, 'cause my love for you comes as natural as breathing. And now that you're gone, my chest won't stop heaving, so I'll hold my breath till I'm blue, and I'll learn to breathe without you. I'll just keep hoping that you'll change your mind, and when your journey's over, you'll stop and you'll find that I was behind you every step of the way. And when you turn and see me, you'll want me to stay. But I don't believe that is how this will go. But still I keep hoping for a future unknown. It's all I can do just to set my intentions, to root for you now in your self-reinvention. 'Cause my love for you comes as natural as breathing. And now that you're gone, my chest won't stop heaving, so I'll hold my breath till I'm blue, and I'll learn to breathe without you. Yes, I'll hold my breath till I'm blue, and I'll learn to breathe without